Hey guys, it's Gracie. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make slime. Yeah? That's right. I said slime. Alright, so what you guys will be needing absolutely is, drum roll please, a plate, toilet paper. Don't worry, the toilet paper is absolutely not used. And my name is Gracie Eubanks, and this is my tutorial of how to make slime. And you will also be needing salt, and a spoon. And if you need to, water and shaving cream. Alright, let's get started. Okay, well, I don't think I'm going to be using shaving cream. Okay, let's get started. Alright, so take your toilet paper and shred it. Put it into the bottom of the plate. Big, little, either one. Right. And then you are going to add your soap. About that much. Ooh, bubble. Alright. Then you're going to take your spoon and mix it. If you hear all that commotion, that's my family and they're watching Curse of Oaks Island, which is an awesome show. This show. Make sure you tell your parents about that show. It's on Discovery, which is awesome. Alright, even I think it's awesome. Okay, after that, you add your salt. I'll just add a little bit more. But then if you don't need it, then you just add a pinch in there. So it should be turning out to look like this. It should be starting to form. Yeah. And then you add your water, just a tiny bit.